Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2016 C300 4MATIC. This one's a steel gray metallic. Under the hood is an inline-4 2-liter turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. Standard on the C-Class are front and rear LED daytime running lights. This one also comes with the AMG Sportline interior and exterior. Coming around here we have 5-spoke AMG wheels. Tires are in good condition. A sports black MB Tex interior. Panorama roof. Coming around back here, we've got a spoiler. C300 4MATIC badging. Set of all-season floor mats. Fold down rear seats. Coming alongside here, this one does come with keyless entry and blind spot assist. Hopping in here, we've got a Burmeister sound system, heated seats, power windows, a Linden wood trim. Hopping in here, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance. Let's go ahead and start the car up here. A rear view backup camera, navigation, dual climate control, our radio, cup holders, our command center with our dynamic selects. This vehicle has 33,882 miles, service records and Carfax available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the C300, check out feldmanimports.com.